solve question number 1.4 from IE Irodov book. Before solving this question, we are going to understand few concepts, that if we are given with the displacement time graph, its slope gives us constant speed. If this line is straight, it's a constant velocity. If this is displacement time, and if it's distance time graph, then it's constant speed. So this line gives us constant velocity. Second constant, the second important concept is, what is average velocity? Average velocity is, suppose we are moving from point A to point B. And suppose we are increasing the speed, decreasing the speed, and suppose we have reached from A to B in time t, with accelerating or deaccelerating motion, or both. Suppose now we are going to talk about average velocity. Average velocity gives me the thing that if we move at constant speed or constant velocity, then we will reach the same point B in the same time t without accelerating or deaccelerating. This is a concept of average velocity or average speed. Okay, these concepts we are going to use in our question. Okay, we are going to solve the question. Suppose now we are going to solve the first part. Important thing in this is, it is given that the point moves rectilinearly in one direction, so distance and displacement in this case will be same. The first part is the average velocity of the point during the time of motion. Average velocity is total displacement upon total time. Average velocity, the symbol for average velocity is like this: total displacement upon total time. Total displacement from 0 to this 2 meter, this is total displacement. 2 meter upon total time is, we have this 20 seconds. So this is 20. But the answer is in centimeter per second, so this is 200 centimeter upon 20 seconds. That will be equals to 10 centimeter per second. This is part A. The part B, maximum velocity. Maximum velocity is when the slope is maximum. The average velocity is maximum, slope is maximum. Slope is maximum from this point, that is from 10 second to this point, that is 10, this is 12, 14 second, up to 14 second, at 14 second. So this 14 minus 10, 14 second minus 10 second, so this will be 4 seconds. This is the time when the velocity is maximum. And what is the displacement from this point to this point? Now this point is, what is dy? Is, this is 2, 4, 8, 10. So this is displacement is from 4 meter to 14 meter when the velocity is maximum. So 14 minus 4 is equals to 10 meter. Then average, this maximum velocity is for the time when the slope is maximum, that is 10 meter by 4 seconds. So that will be equals to 100 centimeter upon 4 second, that is equals to 25 centimeter per second. 25 centimeter per second is the time when the velocity is maximum. Now the last part is the time moment at which the instantaneous velocity is equals to mean velocity. So we have studied that instantaneous velocity and average velocity is maximum. Average velocity is when we join the points, those are passing through the origin. If we draw a straight line passing through the region, it will touch the graph at this point. So this is my average velocity. This line shows me average velocity. Average velocity is same thing. If we move at a constant speed, then we will reach the same point in the same time as if we are reaching at the point when we have accelerated or deaccelerated during the motion. So this is a line which shows average velocity. It is touching the graph at this time, which is equals to 16 second. So at 16 second, average velocity and instantaneous velocity, instantaneous velocity at this point is the slope of this graph at this very point. So this C part is 16 second. Time is equals to 16 second at which average velocity and instantaneous velocity is same. So we have solved all 3 points. The first answer is 10 centimeter per second.